People whose homes were flooded by the rains yesterday, the cleanup started last night and continued today.
And as Local 5's Erinn Taylor found out, residents working to restore their homes are also keeping a nervous eye to the sky.
It was like somebody punched me in the stomach. I just saw money go down the drain.
Allison Holbrook has been left with a mess.
There's mud everywhere. I mean, in every little nook and cranny.
She's cleaning up after floodwaters took over her basement during Wednesday's storm.
It'll be a matter of me vacuuming and us using like bleach because we don't know what came in with that water.
Also on the to-do list, a trip to the Red Cross's Green Bay office to pick up some supplies.
Garbage bags. Hopefully that will be a good start, at least.
Yeah.
It's vitally important for folks to get rid of that dampness, particularly in their basement. It doesn't take a lot of time. That mold can begin to form, and then that's a really bad situation.
And the situation in Allison's basement is already pretty bad.
Our water heater is not working this morning, and we're going to have to get that assessed. We didn't predict that stuff like that was going to happen. Those are very costly things to fix.
But as she tries to clean up the current mess, officials are keeping watch.
We're a little bit concerned about additional rain in the forecast and what might be in store. So we're monitoring the situation, again, working with the emergency management.
All eyes are on the sky.
That's making me sick to my stomach. I'm praying that it's not going to flood our basement again. I'm just trying to stay positive and lean on people for support right now.
In Brown County, Erinn Taylor, Local 5 News.
Boy, and if you weren't able to get one of those cleanup kits today, officials with the Red Cross say those kits will be available in the coming days for anyone needing to clean up after the flood.